YouTube, and welcome to another episode of the Gunman Raw. So yeah, let's do another video on all of your favorite colour. Why not? Well, this time I'm only really doing a video because I got a new spray gun. So this is the Sagola 4600. So it's a revision. It's actually a brand new gun. They've redesigned it. Yeah, all the air caps, and they've changed a little bit on the balancing of the gun in the front. They've lightened the weight up at the front, but all of that aside, let's change some shit. It's nearly morning tea and I'm sorry. It's nearly morning tea and I'm hungry, so I'm not really in the mood. I stopped eating breakfast, so I haven't eaten anything today. So, excuse me for not talking through the whole video, if I do that. Breakfast, the most important meal of the day? No, it's not. That's a load of shit. Yeah, looking like this is going to be a good job. Well, I mean it is already. It's clean. I can see that. Ooh, how did I miss that edge? Gunny. What a killer job, man. Not bad. All in 2 hours work. So yeah, well, close to the 3 actually. I got here at 7. I usually get here at 7, an hour early. Open up. I did finish off a little bit of masking. But I'm still not in the mood for talking, so 1.5 litres of clear, just if you're interested. I'm happy, guys. I'm not going to muck around. Let's just have a quick look at it. I'll give you a quick look at it, and then I'm going to go have something to eat and another coffee. That was pretty fast actually, only 10 minutes. So there's the gun, Sagola 4600 Extreme DVR Clear. Very, very clean job. Very clean. Better than what I expected. I wasn't at work last week, so I was expecting like a couple of jobs to adjust, but no. I guess it's like riding a bike. Nice job, guys. Anyway, I'll see you in the next one. Gunman out.